Hi everyone, Coralie Fraser here, one of the Kindy teachers at Avondale. It's lovely to have you as an audience. I'm here to talk about lunchboxes. Now your Kindy child will love helping you to pick out their lunchbox. The biggie with us is that we're able to open and close each section by ourselves, because on the Kindy veranda we often have 60, 70 children, and so the more independent your child is, the better it's going to be for us and them. So we've got a lunchbox. We're just making sure that they can zip it open and closed by themselves, and they can pull the lid off quite easily by themselves. It would be good if maybe at your house you'd had a few practices. You can have a picnic or you can sit down at the table. They'll show you how to do their lunchbox. And one thing as well is that it's really useful for us if you actually snip the corner of any of the packages, because we find running around and doing 70 children's packages is sometimes quite time consuming. If you're sitting down with your child to have a lunch together, set the timer for 10 minutes and see how quickly they can eat without being over the top. And at the end, practice putting our rubbish in the bin. That's very useful. Do the same with our school bag. Our school bag sometimes has a lot of things in it and it can get very heavy. The main things though are that our lunchbox can slide in easily, and that we can fit a jumper, we can fit a homework bag if we have one, and they tend to be about that big. And sometimes we might be asked to bring a toy for New Year's, so that as well. And if you can just make sure they can zip and unzip, that's wonderful. So if you get to practice using lunchboxes and school bags, your Kindy kid will grow in confidence, and we Kindy teachers will think you are wonderful.